How to create an invoice on Wix. First things first, head over to your dashboard and then try to search in there for invoice. You can see this invoices and code settings as well as this invoices option. So for this case, let's choose in here the second option. And then from in there, you can actually send invoices using this part. It's actually available on the getting paid, and under that is the invoices. Click onto this get started if you haven't set it up right there, and then just input right here your business name. So for example, let's input right here the business name as well as the email address for that. Once you're done with this, click onto this agree and continue, and then from in there, it should be able to show you the actual invoice part of this particular site. So you can see in here what the new invoice will look like once it's been sent. You can input right here the issue date, due date, change the number, as well as input right here which customer is going to receive it. Also the email of that customer, the product and service that they actually availed. You can also add some discount, request deposit. You can see in here the balance due, and you can also add notes and terms and conditions. Once you're done, click onto the send invoice right here in order to send it to a client. So that's how you create an invoice on Wix. Hope we helped.